Greetings, Mark Brown here. As I can see, we are right here in our Google Drive. So what we wanted to do is to create a folder right here in this Google Drive. So you want to come to the left, you notice this is the word new. You want to click on that. Or if you notice right here, it's a new folder. You want to click on that. If you notice right here, it gives us a name. Alright, you're going to type HTML. Right, and then you can come right here and click on create. Right, and there you go. So this is it. It's our folder. So you can actually change the color by right click on it. Now when you right click on it, come right down and say organize. I can come like this. You notice the color change, but if I wanted to change the color and put all them in one color, come right here. I just block everything right here. With the cursor on one and right click. You notice right here say organize. So come right here and I click. You notice all of them in that color. If I wanted to change it, I can actually go back again and I can give it a different color just like that. So this is exactly how you actually create a folder right here in your Google Drive. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.